At a press conference in China, Xiaomi has today announced a new smartphone, Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite, which is the watered-down variant of the company's flagship smartphone Xiaomi Mi 8, that launched a few months ago. The Mi 8 Lite features a 6.26-inch Full HD Plus display that having a screen resolution of 2560 by 1080 pixels, with 19 by 9 aspect ratio and a notch on top of the display. Under the hood, the device is powered by Qualcomm Snapdragon 660 processor, coupled with Adreno 512 GPU. The chipset is manufactured using an advanced 10nm process. The phone comes in 3 variants, based on memory configuration: 4GB RAM with 64GB storage, 6GB RAM with 64GB storage, and 6GB RAM with 128GB storage. Coming to the camera, there's a 24-megapixel front-facing camera with Sony IMX576 sensor and f2.2 aperture. It also has support for artificial intelligence-based features. It comes with the new generation of AI Smart Beauty technology, which the company is calling AI Makeup Beauty. It also supports AI Beauty feature for video recording as well. On the backside, there's AI-based dual camera setup, arranged horizontally. It consists of a 12-megapixel primary sensor and a 5-megapixel secondary sensor with f1.9 aperture. The camera also supports adjustable blurring intensity for the background. It comes with AI scene recognition feature, and the company has added 2 new AI scenes, beach and sea bottom. The glass-bodied smartphone has a unique mirror effect applied, using the mirror nano-dip plating process, similar to that of Huawei P20, giving it a more premium look. During the launch event, Xiaomi compared the phone with the recently launched iPhone XR, suggesting that the Mi 8 Lite has minimal bezels, and has a smaller notch on top of the display. It has the standard set of connectivity options, including 4G LTE, Bluetooth 5.0. Running on Android Oreo operating system out of the box, with the company's own MIUI custom interface on top. The smartphone is powered by a 3350 mAh battery, with support for fast charging technology. For the first time, Xiaomi is offering gradient color options for its smartphone. It comes in 3 color options: Dream Blue, Twilight Gold, and Black. The Xiaomi Mi 8 Lite is priced at 1,399 yuan, which roughly converts to $204. The phone will be available for pre-booking from today, and will start shipping from September 25th in China. So guys, what do you think about this phone? Share your opinion down below, and thanks for watching guys. See you guys next one.